Hello and namaste. In this video we are going to discuss about the color yellow. Okay, yellow is the color of knowledge and concentration. It is also a color of self-esteem. Okay, it's an uplifting color. If you're someone who gets depressed a lot, definitely start wearing more yellow. If you're surrounded by yellow, there is no chance you're going to be depressed. Many times the people who are depressed surround themselves with dull colors. It also works vice versa. The people who are surrounded by dull colors are the ones who are usually depressed, because a lot of energy goes into the observing the things that are around them, and since the energy that they are sending to observe the color is not coming back to them in the same intensity, it drains them. Okay, they feel tired all the time. So if you want to feel uplifted, if you want to feel energetic all the time, try being surrounded by light colors. This will help you feel energized, feeling full of energy and feeling at optimum of yourself. So again, yellow is the color of optimism. It's color of cheerfulness, self-esteem, confidence and being logical. There are some negative traits to yellow as well that you need to keep in mind to make sure that you are not using too much yellow in your life and you're not surrounded by too much yellow. A person who uses too much yellow is overly critical, he's judgmental and sometimes overly analytical and impatient. So you need to keep this in mind when you're going through your day-to-day life. Okay, of course, just wearing a yellow t-shirt one or twice a week will not impact you as much, but wearing it every day and being just completely yellow, dressed as yellow, may not work great for you. So there are people who like yellow a lot, people who don't like yellow a lot. If you don't like yellow, generally you are more down to earth and avoid spontaneity. And people who like yellow love information and love to use them for their own benefit. Again, since yellow is a great color for analytical thinking, is logical thinking, you can use it in any of the classroom environment. If you are into educational domain, educational domain or have a business in educational domain, of course you can use yellow in your logo to demonstrate that confidence, demonstrate that analytical and logical thinking. So that was yellow color. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Namaste.